Hello everyone, this is my review of this mini grill like panini press for like sandwiches and chicken and different things you want to press and make into like a sandwich. It has a pretty short cord, like 2.5 inches, so best using a countertop. It doesn't have a on or off switch, so when you plug it in, that's when it turns on. It turns on pretty fast and starts heating up. So just have your food ready for when you plug it in. When you do plug it in, you have the on light there, but you don't see it too well unless you turn the lights off. Then you can really see it there. So it's not too bright, but yeah, it has on light there, so you can see that. But this press works really well, and I highly recommend it. Hope this review helps.